Nice factual question here. Leap years are every 4 years, and you normally get a leap year if the date is divisible by 4. So when I'm making this in 2024, this date is divisible by 4, so it's a leap year. However, some dates are skipped. If the date is divisible by 100, like 1900 or 2100, then we skip the leap year just to kind of keep the right, because it's not exactly 365 and a quarter days in the year. Okay, it's slightly less, so every now we just have to skip it. But occasionally we have to include it. So years like 2000 are included. So if there's a divisible by 100, but also 400, then it's included. So 2400 would be included, 2300 would not be. And we're asked how many leap years there will be between 2001 and 3001. So if I subtract these, then there's going to be 1,000 years to consider. And it's going to go from 2004 up to the year 3000. So to work out how many possible leap years there are going to be, I can do 1,000 divided by 4, because remember, it's every 4 years. So there's 250 contenders from 2004 to 3000. If I included 2000, I'd have to add one to get to 251, but it's definitely this for the possibilities. Now, I think the best thing to do at this point is just to write down the dates that are not going to be included and then take it away. Okay, don't overcomplicate it by trying to, I don't know, do any sort of fractional multiplication. Let's just write down the ones not included. So we're not going to include 2100 or 2200 or 2300. We will include 2400, as I said before, but not 2500 or 2600 or 2700. We will include 2800 and then not 2900, and not the year 3000 either. So there's 8 years that we're not going to include. It's going to be 250 minus 8, which is going to give us 242. Nice question.